When you practice taxation as a chartered accountant, you face various problems in relation to the matters of your clients. Now, recently, one of the problems that I have faced, which I wanted to discuss with you all, is that one of my clients who is part of a trust, a family trust, and he was wanting to file a return for the trust, but unfortunately he was not being able to file the return for the trust simply because the trust account or the income tax account of the trust has become deactivated. The trust belonged to a person who had expired, and on his expiry the trust vested on his legal heirs. Now the legal heirs wanted to continue with the trust and wanted to file the various returns of the trust as an AOP. Now the income tax department was considering it an estate of a deceased person, and as estate of a deceased person you are allowed to file return for 1 year in the name of the deceased as his estate, and subsequently you have to get your legal heirs registered with the income tax department, and then you can file the return through the legal heirs. Unfortunately, in this particular trust, which was an AOP, and the legal heirs of the trust wanted to continue the trust as an AOP, however, they found that the return cannot be uploaded because of this problem, and the department have deactivated it. Several emails were sent to the grievance. A special mail ID was also given where the mails were sent for the purpose of activating the accounts. However, despite all the efforts, the income tax department did not make this account active. Now, the time limitations for filing the return was also approaching fast, and there was no way that this stalemate could be removed. Representations were made even to the department, where my people from office went to the department and requested them to activate the account, but the department failed to do so. You know what I did? This client of mine was a lawyer himself, and I told him that please go and file a writ petition in the High Court stating your problem and asking the High Court to compel the income tax department to activate the trust account. You won't believe, the writ petition was granted and the High Court gave a directive on the income tax officer to activate the account immediately, and the income tax officer did so, and the client was able to file the return of income. I thought that I should share with you this problem so that in case any of you face this type of a problem, you can know the solution to it.